We should probably hit the record button before we start talking, right? Isn't that how it works? Welcome to my new background. Don't get too excited. It's just my living room, nothing too exciting. And I'm gonna talk to you about something today, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow that came out. And this is the Icon Palette. It's got 12 colors in it. It's very, very pretty. You get a ton of product in this. Check that out. Lots of colors, not too vibrant. They're actually colors you can wear. And I actually am kind of have a girl crush on Charlotte Tilbury. And I love her accent. I love hearing her talk. I've always loved a British accent. Maybe not so much anymore because I started dating a guy with a British accent who turned out to be a total ass. So, but that's okay. You know, there's lots of asses, British or not. But these are the colors you get. You get a ton of product in here. And I think it's just a ridiculous amount of product. It is 2 grams times 12, which is a lot of product. And my question for Miss Charlotte, who I do love, is why don't we get that much product in the quads? Because I have a lot of those and you don't get nearly as much, and they're very expensive. They're like $52. And this entire set is $65. And this entire set is $65. So this is a great value. I definitely would recommend this because the consistency of the shadows is very much the same as those expensive quads. So if you're a Charlotte Tilbury fan like I am, you will run to Sephora or wherever you gotta go to get this thing. It's beautiful. I have it on now. Let me close my eyes and get close. See, gorgeous colors. Now they're very nicely pigmented. There's no real good brown in here though. We've got a terracotta, we've got a burgundy, but we don't really have a brown. We do have a charcoal, closer to black than charcoal, which is gorgeous. And the colors are not as vibrant as I thought they were gonna be, which honestly is a good thing because you'll get more wear out of them because they're not just fun date night, crazy eyeshadow colors that I like to wear sometimes to my day job. But I think you're gonna like it a lot. So run, don't walk. Get your hands on this. I am going to swatch it in just a second so you can see what it looks like. I really do think you will love it. And while you're at it, try some other Charlotte Tilbury products because I want to support my new girlfriend, right? This is not sponsored at all. She has no idea who I am on the planet. Don't get all excited about that either. But I wanted to show you this because it is a beautiful $65 palette, which, you know, $65 is some money. I'm not going to kid you, but you know, there are so many more that are so much more expensive than that. And I think the product for money that you get out of this is definitely worth it. So that's my 2 cents on the Charlotte Tilbury palette. So I suggest you go get that. As I said, I wanted to swatch these colors for you, and they're very beautiful. As you can see on my crazy white skin, the colors are not exceptionally vibrant. They are just vibrant enough to be colors that you can actually wear any day that you want to. What Charlotte's done for us that I think is really nice is she has separated these 12 colors into 4 rows of 3. And each of the 3 represents a specific eye. For someone who doesn't quite know what to do with all these colors, this gives you a guideline that you can sort of follow. The first 3 colors are for daytime eyes. The second set is date eyes. The third set is diva eyes. And the last set is disco eyes. So it's very cute and very fun. And of course, you don't have to follow those guidelines at all. You can use anything you want. And when I put them on today, I didn't even realize there was a guide on the bottom. I just used the colors that I thought were pretty. So I wanted to show you these. I want you to see what it's all about. And I think if you run out and get these colors, you are really going to like them. And I do have an entire face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup on today, and I'm going to be doing another video soon to show you what that's all about. But for right now, let's just talk about these eyeshadows, and let's just run to get them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!